How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I am short.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
What is your nationality?
I'm American.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have two grandmothers.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lisa.
Where does your friend live?
She lives in my neighborhood.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, we go out on Saturdays.
Do you call your friends every day?
Not every day, but often.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help at home.
Do you have a cousin?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Is your family important to you?
Yes, very important.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home?
No, I eat at work.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
Do you take a shower at night?
Yes, I take a shower before bed.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, every weekend.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.